ordered the bag a while ago. It's a digital screen bag from Amazon this morning. I'm gonna get it today. So I'm gonna check now, but I have to find the laundry room. Oh man. So when I get to that now, I'm gonna see what I want. I go into like a proper detail about the bag, and then let me know when you think about it. If you like it, then we can talk some business. I have to try and find the laundry room now, aka the hub. I forgot to see somebody and ask them when we can find that. So the neighbors them just tell me say I have to go out to the mailbox. That's where they up there. So I'm kind of anxious to see the bag still because I don't know. Yeah, so far you have to walk just to see the hub. There's a laundry room there so far. Man. It's like a all-in-one bag, but have a 17-inch screen on it where it come with a app with an Android or iPhone, and then you can program it to display anything you want on it. So I'm gonna show you what I want. If I hit this. Oh yeah, slowly. Alright. Let's see which door that one from now. Oh, alright, so like this. Amazon package just reached. Yes, so I just collect the box a while ago. Quite big. Well, not big still. So what I gotta do, I reach inside, I go into full details about it, so I can program it up and make it run and I couldn't see what I want. Yeah, so as you can see when the Amazon I put black pepper in a box or some big box I get. And then ready? Alright, so take this out, so it's kind of a windy day today. Not really. No, wait, I got affect the audio still, but I don't know. So, I never carry nothing to cut the box, so I use this. It work. See me? Mad. Wow. Already I love the quality, as you can see the screen. There, so tough. Love the quality. Thick. We have what here, so don't know what this strap here for, but it can be something if I carry a stick or something behind it. But I like the shell design. Wait up. Wow. Come with them thing here. I think this is the plug to get it work, but you have to have a battery pack. I have battery pack, man. I have battery pack. And laptop goes here. Straps feet. Can fit up to a 17-inch. We have storage here, also storage here. I think this is the information paper for sure what it can do. And yeah, I want to test it out, so I guess I have to go download the app. To see all of the stuff then. Alright, everything is English on this side, so let me go get the battery pack, light it up and see what it looks like though. But already the build quality feel very nice. Shell and Now the whole of here says a screen. So you can use it for any time. Like as a DJ, you can have a DJ name on it, you can have any like animation on it. So if it see if we can activate the AI on this now one. Alright, it works. It's supposed to follow me around now. So you know, nice. Tough, I like. And you have everything on the back so a display and things. So now go get this battery pack on it and program it up and make it see what I go on. See? So we so forward. For me like the feel already on the back. You see me? And as I say, I go make it see what I go on. So the headphone microphone I ain't for me hooked up so the shirt now I got to put it properly so I don't know. Alright, so for the battery you have to go have a portable battery pack to program it up. So it will be attached to this USB here. It's provided. So I'll turn the face lights off and I'll plug it in now. See where it goes. Alright, good. See there? So as long as you have a battery pack, it will run forever. You can place a battery in here and it should show like this. You see me? To stop that, let's see if I can stop the AI from move. Alright, it stopped. So it can do a lot of flashing, a lot of animation. What I'm gonna do is try to download the app, because there's an app where you can use to control everything. See? So the QR code is here. All I have to do is put the camera on it and the app will come up. So I'm gonna do the paper. I'm gonna check in and see if I see the paper. But the build quality is very great. Build quality is super great. It bad, but not lie. And it stays lit as long as you have power in it. So I'm gonna go big up OHM for the stabilizer. You know, go hard. So we're going to install and download Loy Space. That's LOY Space. So I'm gonna go App Store, download Loy Space. LOY Space, and it's supposed to come up. Alright, there it is. I don't know if I can see it, but there it is. See? Get. Bam. So as soon as I done connect and pair everything, now I don't know what I'm going. Alright, so based on what the app say, you suppose you can put on any little picture from out your gallery to it. You can add text and animate it. You can add GIF, animate it. You can put program lists, any little things you want, graffiti, any little things. So for instance, as a DJ now, you go to Babs now and you promote your party. You can have a party on it. You understand? If you have an Instagram page, you can put it on it. You can put the actual Instagram on it if you want to. You understand? So on the other hand, I think it's a very good way to promote yourself as a DJ, as an artist, as anything that you're doing, any media that you're doing regarding social media. But it is operated via Bluetooth. So as I say, you can put anything you want on the screen. See the screen there? You can adjust the brightness also. It is at 47% brightness now. You understand? So now get it connected and then you don't know. Alright, so it is now connected. Let me see something free type. You can just go and type in can just type in anything. So I'm gonna try out the free type one first, and then it's supposed to press done, send to device, then it's supposed to process and go on the screen, as you can see. Zoom. You suppose you can animate it how you want it. Suppose you can animate it. You can play with the font, you can play with the boldness, the horizon, line space, play type. You know what I mean? Daytime, 3 seconds, whatever. You know, foreground, none. You can choose the foreground, the background, anything, a color you want it to be in. So for the background, I want it to be, let's just say, red. See? Send to device. So everything will now change, as you can see. It's supposed to change. Or you can add different animations to it also. You see me? It's loading. So you connect it by Bluetooth. It's a very powerful tool to have, especially as a DJ. If you don't know the laptop settings, you can do all of the things that you want to do with it on the screen itself. You can promote anything you want to promote on the back of the back. See? So let me come back out here and see how basic work with like photos. See? So you can go split screen, you can draw on it, like, you know, so there's something random, send to device, it's supposed to show now. And then now bam. Because the writing is in, I'm gonna delete back this one. See there? You can show anything you want to show. See? So as long as there is nothing running on it, you're going to see this pop up. See? So you can program it with upload like what's something. You can go to your photos also. Allow access to go to your photos and never just put a random picture of, you know, just something like this. You see me? And let me see what happened now. Done. So send to device. So it is going to upload to the device right now. You should see it anytime soon, like now. See? So any little thing you put on the screen, it will come up. See? So as I said, it come in handy. This is something send to device. So any which way you write it, it will come up that way there. See? So you don't know. Link it at the description if you want to know how to get it, or just link me directly to get it, as I say. The bag, very solid. Remember, you have to have a battery pack to work with it. See? Everything there, handed on the 17-inch display, and you don't know. So once again, like, share and subscribe, because you don't know, I'm gonna have a whole unload a gadget for review. You understand? And please remember to stream as a chopper out right now. You know, because we not only do music, we do educational things and business. See what I say? So check it out. Mad thing. The outside.